In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage email sequences using HubSpot's Sales Hub features. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to refine your process, follow along to get the most out of your email outreach. First, let's get started by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look towards the upper navigation bar and find the Sales tab. Click on it, and then in the drop-down menu, select Sequences. This is essentially your central hub for all things related to email sequences. Here, you can both create new sequences or work with existing ones. Sequences are very powerful. They allow you to automate a series of emails with just a few clicks, helping you maintain consistent communication with your contacts without the need for constant manual intervention. Now, once you're in the sequences section, it's time to either create a new sequence or choose an existing one that you'd like to work with. A sequence typically includes multiple email steps, each designed to guide the recipient through your planned communication flow. If you're creating a new sequence, think about your goals and design each email step to gradually edge your contact toward that goal. One important setting in HubSpot that you'll want to enable is reply tracking. You'll find this option in the sequence setup. Reply tracking is incredibly useful because it automatically groups incoming replies into a single thread. This makes it much easier to keep all your communications organized and ensures that you're not losing track of individual responses. It keeps your email exchanges neat and focused, allowing you to respond and follow up with clarity. As you configure each email step within your sequence, take time to customize the subject lines. Maintaining consistency in your subject lines is key to building a clear and professional image. It helps your contacts immediately recognize and mentally tag your emails as they arrive in their inbox. By ensuring the subject lines are aligned and consistent, you help simplify the experience for your recipients, which in turn can lead to better engagement. Once everything's set, it's time to enroll contacts into these sequences. This is where the magic happens, as you can now monitor how each contact interacts with your emails directly from your inbox. HubSpot's tracking capabilities allow you to view opens, clicks, and replies, giving you insights into how well your sequence is performing and where you might need to make adjustments for better outcomes. Congratulations! You're now ready to effectively use HubSpot to streamline your email outreach, turning what could be a complicated process into a smooth, automated workflow that saves time and increases your efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to explore other features